Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you a most simple and a quick curry recipe which is called beaten curd curry. This is so easy to make and feels like heaven when you have it for lunch. I hope you love this recipe of mine, so keep watching. To make this, I have heated a pan and I'm going to add oil. Once the oil is hot, I am adding half teaspoon of mustard seeds and a pinch of cumin seeds and allowing them to splutter. Here I have crushed 4 garlic cloves and frying them till they turn light brown in color. Once the garlic is fried, add finely chopped half onion, 3 slit green chillies, a sprig of curry leaves and fry well till the onion turns soft and brown in color. Here you can see the onion has turned brown. Now I am adding finely chopped 1 semi-ripe tomato. Fry till the tomato turns soft and aromatic. While the tomato is cooking, here into a bowl I am going to add 2 cups of curd and beating it well so that I have a nice smooth and creamy lump free mixture with me. Once the curd is mixed well, back to the tomatoes. You can see the tomatoes have fried well, adding 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and giving it a fry for few seconds. After this, I am going to add the beaten curd and on low flame stir it immediately so that it doesn't get curdled. Once the curd is well mixed with the onion and turmeric mixture, I am going to add 2.5 cups of water. Give this a good mix. Now add salt as per taste and mix well. Here I am not going to cook this gravy or boil it as this will curdle. So here I am going to keep it on heat only till it turns hot. Once it's turned hot, I am going to turn off the heat and garnish it with finely chopped coriander leaves. Here our beaten curd curry is ready. Let's dish this out. So this is my recipe of making a simple curry for afternoon lunch with beaten curd. It's less spicy and very light. I hope you like this recipe of mine. Please do subscribe to my channel, like this video and comment how did you like this recipe. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.